Lost container videos are absolutely blowing up right now. Just take a look at this page. They've already grown to over 31,000 followers just by posting videos like these, and almost every video is getting great views. In fact, their most popular videos have millions of views. Now check out this video I made in less than 5 minutes. Alright, now let's jump into it. To create videos like these, first open the master prompt from the description below. Copy prompt 1, then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit run. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 highly engaging lost container video ideas. Pick the one you like the most, copy it, and paste it back into ChatGPT. Now go back to the prompt PDF, copy prompt 2, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit run. ChatGPT will generate a complete 5-scene story for you. Now open the Flow website in Chrome. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt for scene 1, then return to Flow. Paste the prompt, select the OmniFlash model, set the duration to 10 seconds, and hit run. After a short wait, your first video clip will be ready. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for scene 2, return to Flow, paste it in, and hit run. A few moments later, your second clip will be ready. Now just follow the exact same steps for all the remaining scenes. Once every clip is finished, import them into any editing software. Arrange them in order, trim any unnecessary parts, and export the final video. And that's it. Your video is ready. You'll find the master prompt in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next viral AI niche video. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.